Yo, 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 YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and I am coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. This is not a normal unboxing, everyone. No, it's not. But if you are new around here and you don't know what we do tend to do sneaker unboxings and things. And today we are going to unbox, I suppose you'd call it a retro, a vintage one, a vintage shoe. It's a Nike SB Blazer. It's the Purple Rain. I hope. I picked them up from eBay. SJ, we are going to speed up about now. Okay, so what have we got, people? We are... Oh, this is interesting. There's some interesting things already on here. So we got a gold box, people, here. It's a SB. It's a Blazer Premium SB. It's a gold box. But I just wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you're wondering what this channel's all about, it's kind of about sneakers, but what it's more importantly about is bringing everybody closer together. SJ, let's go over here. Right, so first of all, I'm actually going to show you that first. Because at some point, these have come from the US, and I know that because of the flappy price tab. But we've got, look, that's what we've got. Blazer Premium SB, they're a UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5. And the important thing, everyone, is these are Varsity Purple Black. And the code is, everyone, 314-070-501. It is gold box, so it's a little bit damaged around the edges. That's fine. We'll come back here, SJ. Also provided slightly an SB lace bag, but let's do the thing. So not surprising, woodcut paper. Oh wow, oh wow, wow. Let's just. I will also say, so this box is from 2009. It's 12 years ish. Not bad, and that's why I say, everyone, keep your boxes. Whoop. That surprised you, didn't it, SJ? So, we have got... Oh. So, first of all, I think these have hardly been worn. Right, can we go over to this camera? Oh, flipping. Well, we do these live, everyone. And I think the thing that we do with them being live is that we're never quite sure if we're on the right camera. Right, I'm going to bring this in so you can see and look at it. It's lovely. It's lovely. They've hardly been worn. There we go. Ooh, there's things. So first of all, we have got a fake snakeskin. It's not really, it's all painted on. It's suede in its own right. And SJ, if I come right in close, people maybe can see that. Oh, thank you, because that was hurting my arm. So you can see that it's sort of a painted on snakeskin. And if you think about it, the same era or around the period, actually, I'm just going to say earlier, there was inspired Supreme SBs, which obviously use the snakeskin there. Then we come around the side, we're going to spin around there. And that purple, the suede looks really good. My word, right? Have a look at the toe box, everyone. Have a look at that toe box and see if I can just make it do a thing. Because it feels nice, doesn't it, SJ?
Better than the russets.
It's better than the russets. SJ's still, let's go back to the middle. So SJ's still peeved with those dunk russets. But I'm going to take out the paper from the toe box, and he's kept these. Whoever I bought these from, thank you, because they were a bit of a bargain. I really appreciate that. I'm going to take out the inner sole. So we got obviously a zoom inner sole, but the thing that I quite like about these, boom. Oh, that way would be better. Actually, why don't we go over this camera? I think the light will be better. There we go. Look at that. That looks really nice. Now we've got a couple of... No, it's hardly been worn. Like mine go absolutely manky. There's nothing. There's no wear on those. Now, the other thing... so we picked these up from eBay. And I will give a shout out to Levi in our community who enabled this. Probably shouldn't have done. Probably shouldn't have done. So if we have a look there, you can see there's a little bit of dirt. I think that's more age than anything. These are going straight on foot. So we've got the purple there. It's lovely. I'm going to spin round to the back. It's so good. It's so good. And then if we spin round back round to the side, SJ, if we go over to this camera, again, we go back over to our favourite over here, which we're not on this camera. Come on, SJ. Stay sharp, girl. Stay sharp. It feels like leather on the inside there. I'm going to bring it right in close. And I'm going to... Right, if you hold it, SJ, I'm going to try and bring the light round so we can just about see. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Oh, my word. So, I know a friend of ours, Jay Dolan, who's in the community, he also picked these up. I think he got them in Germany recently. Well, in the last 12 months. And I can see what he means. They look really good. Let's have a look at the other shoe. We'll go back to the middle, SJ. Keeping her on her toes today, everyone. There we go. Oh, it's good, isn't it? I'm still not Blazing Squad. Still not Blazing Squad, everyone, but these are nice. They're really, really nice. Have you ever had like a real steal on eBay or somewhere and you just like, I can't believe the price I got them for? Because I got these way under retail. I don't care if somebody says they're fake or not. I don't care. They look amazing. They look... Like, if someone's put this amount of effort into a fake, which I don't think this is, I'm all in on this one. I'm all in, which is a terrible thing for me to say. A terrible, terrible thing for me to say. But I'm just trying to see if there's any... I reckon this person's worn them about 3 times. Genuinely about 3 times. So let us know in the comments below. Have you had a steal on eBay? Of course, the other thing that I should say to you all is don't forget, I'm recording this in February 2021. Not like I said in the other video. And so we are running a bit of a giveaway for everyone who watches our videos, who engages in the community, comes along. If you go and click the link in the description somewhere below, there's many, many ways to enter. And you get, not this top, but you get a Stuff the Dunk sweatshirt. And we'll send it out to anywhere in the world, however long that takes to get there. So don't forget to do that. And, oh, SJ's pulling some funny faces behind the camera. Let us know what you think. Do you like these? I'm pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly surprised. At the price, I couldn't turn them down. But yeah, so good, so good. So SJ, you're the blazer girl, the queen of the blazers. Give us a thumbs up or something if you like them. Boom. I think that's a definite yes. And don't forget, people, there's videos over there. Go and watch one of those videos. SJ, catch. Whoa. Oh my word.